Thina munene wa maai no uthiete na mbere na kugumira aikari a tauni ya Kitengela, kuria gavana wa kaunti ya Kajiado Joseph Olelenku augite thina uyu umanite na urugamiriri muru wa honge iria ciehokeirwo uheani wa maai. Na ireta njira imwe ya kuhurana na thina uyu, Lenku ni athondekete kambuni ya maai na utheru kaunti-ini iyo niguo kunina kaima na thina uyu.
We already have a World Bank project that they are proposing to have a dam that can serve Kitengela in terms of water, not only Kitengela but Kajiado County as a whole.
Ona thengia wa kaunti yo gukorwo na maai matheru maria maumaga irima-ini cia Kilimanjaro, Ngong na Namanga, aikari acio no magumiirwo ni thina wa maai.
Kajiado County has critical sources of water towers. Loitoktok being one of them, being at the base of Kilimanjaro. Namanga Hills and Ngong Hills have water, and that water has not reached the people of Kajiado. Worse still, our water from Nolturesh is enjoyed more elsewhere than where it comes from, even Loitoktok, the home of Nolturesh.
Riu aikari ni mahinyiriirio kugura maai kuma kuri andu aria mendagia maai na ngari o undu umwe na bunda. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njetawa Ngari wa Mwagi.